Good morning, everybody. We are here at Highland Anderson Lakes Park. It is about 20-25 minutes southwest of Minneapolis. This loop is about 5.5 miles around. It's about 40 degrees, maybe a little over 40 degrees. It's very windy. So I got to get my blood flowing. Let's do it. Let's do this. Beautiful little lookout spot here with benches and flowers. A really nice little peninsula. Very nice. Gorgeous day. I'm walking on snow. Kind of surprised to see this much snow here it's late in the season. But hey. So I've really been curious why there's so much snow and ice on this trail. And I guess it's because they're cross-country ski trails and they make their own snow. It says right here, snowmakers.com. So we produce extra snow here in the winter, and it takes longer for it to melt in the springtime. So it's like this will last for another month or so. The glacier of Highland Park. This was a nice hike. It was a lot of great scenery, a lot of great wetlands. The ducks are out in force today. Everywhere there's ducks. There's a couple times when I stopped and because there was just ducks in the path and I didn't want to disturb them for a minute. But yeah, it was really nice, except there's a lot of people here. It's not a day I would expect there to be a lot of people out here. It's really windy. It's a little chilly. It's very wet because it rained a lot yesterday. But regardless, there's tons of people out here. I couldn't get away from people. It seemed like every corner I turned, there was another group of people hanging out. But yeah, it was a good day. Glad I got out here. Signing out.